Our dear customers, today we are introducing to you our burglar home alarm system. This is how it looks like, and it has quite a number of things that come with it. This is its manual book. This is the control panel of the alarm system. This is its motion sensor. It comes with one in the box. It comes with two remotes, and it comes with one door wireless sensor. So I'll take you through how it can be installed and where you can put all the things. So we have a sample here on our display. This is the control panel. The control panel, you can either control it manually, or you can use the different remotes to disarm and arm it if you're not there. Then the motion sensor can be installed in any of the corners of houses, either outside or inside. Then this is a door sensor. The door sensor, you can install it in such an area. Either you can install it on the door or a window. So this is how it's installed. In case you've armed your system and an intruder tries to open your door like this, it will trigger an alarm, so it will go on. This system has a GSM module. The GSM module calls for a SIM card. The SIM card is inserted in one of the areas inside the system. So in case you have a SIM card in and the alarm is triggered, the system will alert you on your phone, because you can set it and give it airtime. Either it will give you a call or it will send you an SMS alert. This system has a limit of 4 zones. That means you can connect 4 wired sensors, and then it has a limit of 80 zones. That means you can have wireless sensors that are 80 pieces. This system is it can be installed in quite a number of areas. As you see, the box will show you that you can have it in a home, you can have it in a villa, you can have it in a factory, and you can have it in your business area. So you don't need to worry about intruders in case you install this system in your place. That is what we'll have for today. Thank you. See you soon.